it going, guys? Trucker Tim here. Today, we're off out on the walking floor. Let's get the bag and let's go. Oh, struggling to get out of the car here. Right then. Got my new little handle today, look. It also doubles up as a tripod. Look. Ah. So, my lorry's gone in for MOT and service. So, we're in the spare lorry today with a walking floor. Let's get in, get set up. Hang on, I need the key. It's in my bag here. Oh shit! Oh fuck! I missed the handle. Down there. Get the card in. 5:45. What about that? That is very rare. I'm usually up at about 2:30, 3 o'clock starting, but it's usually dark as well. Get her wound up. Oi! There we go. This beeping here is just telling me that there's no air in the system. Fuel level's a bit low as well, but we're only local today. Actually, I might fill up on my way to Newmarket. So the first job is just up the road in Warboys, actually, so not too far away. And then we are going across to Newmarket. Woo! Oh, I need to press enter. Yep. Right, stop beeping now, please. Hey, this seat isn't in a very good position. I wasn't the last person to drive this. Get sorted out here. There we go. Diddly-dee. Get the paperwork done. Like I say, we're local today. I've been local all week. So my start times this week have been 7 AM, 5:15, 5:15, and 5:45. I've had a right treat this week. It's the 1st of July today. Right, that's that done. Let's pull it around like this. Should be able to walk around the truck better. I have to put my hydraulic hoses on when we get there. If not, they get wrapped up round here. You can rip them off. Get wrapped around that hydraulic tank cap as well. I've got bungees here that I'm sometimes bungeeing up with. I just can't be fussed with it. We're all good. Let's get in. Alright, let's get to the first one. Let's go. Oh, pedestrian with a dog. 2 dogs actually. Oh, now there's a car. Oh my word. Look, we're steaming up. Oh no. Yeah, so later on, guys, what we'll do a bit of point of view driving later on. Just got you on the dash at the moment, but later on I'll get you strapped to my head and we'll do a bit of a POV. Chatteris. So this is my hometown. This is where I was brought up. I used to stand on this roundabout with my bike, because I used to live just up there. I used to stand at that lamppost there and watch lots. Oh no! That's not gone well. I was just telling you a lovely story as well. Oh, here we go. That was a fail. Oh, let's get you sit up again. Yeah. Oh God, he was going a bit hard, wasn't he? Are we free? Are we free? We're free. We can go. Right, now don't fall off again. So, as I was saying before we was rudely interrupted by the camera going, oh, bell, oh, dear. So basically I used to sit at that roundabout watching the cars and the lorries go round, just like waiting basically for the day I could drive. Used to watch the lorries thinking, oh, I want to be in there. Now I'm in there. It's bloody awesome. Right then guys, just turning up now at the family yard. Just pulling in. In we come. Right, I'll just get parked up, get in position, and I'll speak to you in a minute, guys. Here we are then, just getting loaded up now. Just putting these bales here on the back, and then I'll walk them to the front. And then over there in that shed, we've got some cans. We'll put them over the top. But I'll show you that when it's time to do it. It's a lovely farm, got some horses over there, look. Nay! No, not interested. Yeah, look at that. It's a lovely morning for it. So obviously when I got here, I turned around, got the sheet off. I'll show you guys that later. But old matey, when I got out, he was talking to me, so I couldn't really film it. Anyway, I'll come back to you when I'm walking the bales to the front, and then we're putting the cans in. So just walking these bales in now, walk them up to the front. See how this works. Then we've got some cans to go in over the top. Okay, turn the PTO off. Now I'm going to back up. He's already there waiting with a bucket full of cans. Yep, there we go. Whee! Getting the cans on. Nearly done with the cans now. So, nearly loaded up the cans now. And we'll roll the sheet back over. But then, I'll better remember to take these hoses off, because like I said, they get caught around here. So all that happens is you pull that back, and then I'll pull out. There's still some pressure in there. Woo. Pull this one back, like that. Just pull that bit back, and then that pulls off. Up. Now the cans are really heated up. Can't pull it, it's too heated up. So we're going to use the teleporter to pull it over. Like this. Pulling that back gives it a helping hand. It's quite heavy sheet actually. There we go. Right then guys, so we're all loaded up at this farm. Now I'm going to head back to the yard, get this one tipped. Let's go! Right then. Oh, we're taking off there. Onto the weigh bridge. Get this weighed up. See how much weight we've got on. Not a great deal, I'd say. Here you go. So we put the weigh bridge ticket in here, like that. I know my tear weight, 17,200. Enter, print. There we go. So, how much weight have we got? We've got 5.5 ton. I'm just waiting now to get into this yard here. They're just pushing some card up. I'll pull in, back up, and tip. Right then, I've been told I can go in and tip. Let's pull her on in. That's where I've got a tip, down here. Open the back door. Next one. What a mess. There we go. Right, let's get the PTO in action. This is the PTO button. You just push that little bit down, push that in. The little PTO light comes on the dash. Now we can build the revs, turn them up a little bit, make it go a bit faster. Then in this little box here, we can start it. Now just walk out the back like that. Woo! Avalanche! Got the bales coming out now. Oh no, door's stuck. This isn't good. Just the door got a bit stuck. This has got to be at the front anyway for the next job, so we'll do that now. Let's push that up to the front now. So we're all tipped, guys. It's a bit chaos in here, so what we'll do, we'll go next door and do the back doors up and wind the sheet over. The cable tie broke. My door come round as I was backing in. Right. So we get the back doors shut, and then I'll take the sheet off, show you how that works. First job is to undo these ratchets underneath. Do these ratchets. Also want to tie these together like this, through like that, so they don't get stuck in the load when you pull the sheet back over. And we need to throw this over. Let's ratchet off. Throw this over the top. Where's the cars? Oh, that's alright, they're nowhere near. 4, smash! Fold it over. And we can tie that round there. Do. Then we climb up here. Take these bungees off. Flaps up like that. Then you need this handle here. So the handle goes in there, and then you can wind the sheet over like this. And then what I'll do Once that's over, put my handle back. And I've got this strap here. Chuck that over there, like that. Climb back down. Put that back on there so it don't rattle and bang around on here. And that'll hold the sheet over so it don't blow off or roll off. Then we can run up the road with the sheet off. And then it's done then. When we get to the next job, we ain't got to faff around with it. Get that up. There we go. Now that's obviously secured. Right then, we can crack on. That's how you do that. So let's get up the road, get a bit of POV on the go. Let's go. Nearly at Ely now. Gonna stop at Ely and get some fuel. I've been stuck behind this tractor up here for bloody ages. On the way to Newmarket at the moment. Get another load on. That's where that tractor's going. Doubt we'll get stuck behind one of them on the way back as well. I wonder if the BP station's going to be busy. There's a couple on the pump. Not too bad though, not too bad. I'll do it now rather than later. I'll pull up here and wait. Oh, look at that over there. Oh, it sounds nice. What is that? That is awesome. Just filling up now then. Like this driver here, look, he's all dieselled up, but there's a massive queue, but he just don't care, just sits there. God, winds me up so much. There we go. £443. I got my diesel card, didn't I? But I didn't get my mask. There's the sheep, here's the sheep. There we go. Right, let's get out of here. We're just coming into Newmarket now. I thought I'd do a bit more filming. See what we can see through Newmarket. Probably horses. Oh, there's some horses. Lots of horses. Just got through there before they all come across. This is Newmarket then. Chaos. Absolute bedlam. Best parking around here, is it? Look at that one. Doing weird things with his feet. That's MAN. No worries, mate. Right. This is where I'm going. So I'll get in, guys, get sorted out, and I'll speak to you in a minute. That's me all in position. What we've come to load is this plastic here. There's a good load of it. Absolutely stinks. Hopefully he'll be here soon to get loading me. It's another lovely farm. More horses. Afternoon. You're on YouTube. Do you like that? Look, there's a lovely peacock. Just make sure the door is still at the front, which it is, because if it had slid to the back and you load it over the top, I'd have a job getting the load out. Right, I'm gonna get back in the cab and wait. So I just thought I'd have a little bit of lunch. It's not going to plan. I think I got myself sorted out now. I love these. Bloody lovely. He's just started to load me up. Got a few buckets in. I've just finished off my lunch. That was absolutely lovely. Let's hop out and see how we're getting on. Let's climb up the ladder. See how we're doing. A few more buckets to go down there. Off he goes to get another bucket full. Nice! Woohoo! Oh, what a day! Woohoo! Whoa! That's it, we're loaded. So, just get this strap off, chuck it over. Boop! Oh, that scared the peacock. Done. I've got my sheet back over and all the straps done up, as you see. Let's go! There's a bloody bike. Here we go then. We're out. I'll speak to you when we get going through Newmarket. It's alright, I'll let you across. Oh, Sparks. It's just barged out. Rapido Racing. Green light, let's go. So how are you liking the vlogs? Got any ideas for what I could do? Things I could do better? Things I shouldn't do? I'd love to hear your opinion. I think this one's going to be a bit longer than my others. See, you can just pull out. Don't mind me. I don't mind if they get their foot down. When they pull out like that, then dither about. That's what annoys me. Should be back at the yard about 1 o'clock, probably just after. So I will speak to you when we get back to the yard. Back at the yard. He's wanting to go on the weighbridge, but I've leapfrogged him. I'm pulling in front of him. I work here, so I'll take priority. That's what I'm saying anyway. Right out loud. I reckon the clutch is on this way out on this. Right then, more weighed in. Let's go round to the other yard. Got back out of here now. Whew, on the blind side. Right out now. Cheers, mate. Hey, we're out. Oh, let's go and see where they want this tipping. Bedlam here. Lorries everywhere, thank you. Cheers, mate. Yeah, we'll park up here on the left-hand side. Got a tip in there, so there's Joshy boy down there, look. Well, it looks quite busy and we might be in for a bit of a wait. Let's get the camera set up. I'll film myself reversing in. But they don't want this tipping today. Got to tip it tomorrow morning, so salute. There we go then, guys. All parked up. Yeah, so as I say, they don't want to tip this now. They want to tip it in the morning, so that's fine with me. I'll go home early. So let's get the card out. 2 o'clock. Lovely job. Card is out. Let's do the paperwork. Woohoo! We're on old-fashioned carbon paper. That all done. Put that in there, ready for tomorrow. The bag's all loaded up. Let's get that out. Right, I just need the keys. There we go. Shut that. Lock that. And back in the bag. And I'll see you tomorrow, Laurie. So I'll tip this at 5 o'clock in the morning, then be over to the farm I was on this morning, again for 6 o'clock in the morning. And it's Friday. Woohoo! This trailer's loaded with trays, look. Oh, that's all about. Let's get in the car. It's going to be hot in here. We need to get the aircon on. Oh, it is hot. Woo. Aircon on. Turn that down. Turn the fans up. Thank you so much for joining me again today, guys. It's been great. I'm sorry we didn't get to tip the walking floor on the second load, but it was the same procedure as the first load, and we'll have plenty more opportunity to do videos and vlogs on that trailer in the future. If you liked the video, please give it a like or a thumbs down. If you didn't like it, please hit the subscribe button. That would really help. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate all your support. I'll speak to you soon, guys. Cheers!